All right, guys, we're back on our 2001 Ford Escape. We have a bad oxygen sensor. So we're gonna replace that. Luckily, this is the easy one on the Duratec V6. So if we look down here, we really can't access anything from above. So everything's gonna be from the bottom. So you'll see here, right there's the oxygen sensor. So I've already gone up and I've followed the wire and I've loosely took this panel here. And so we're going to sneak up here and there's going to be two wires here. You see the one with the green? That's not the one we're going for. We're going to go to the one next to it that has the blue on it. And that is going to be for our correct oxygen sensor. So we just need to get up here and unplug it and then we can pull the sensor out. So just give me just a minute. I'll be right back. All right, so we got it unplugged. So what we did here is I had to take the other side loose. And this motor mount is right in the way. So I had to get up there with one hand on one side and the other one on this other side so I can, let's see it, depress the tab and just use both my fingers, just popped right out. So now we're gonna actually pull the oxygen sensor out itself. Now I have a nice oxygen sensor wrench that goes over the sensor and just sits, and I can just use my normal 3/8 driver to pull it off. Let's see if we can. All right. Broke it loose, just unscrews out. Just comparing the two, obviously one's factory, one's not. But the thing is, I'm just comparing the ends. They should just plug right in. All right, the nice thing, the new sensor already has a little bit of a anti-seize put on it. Just gonna put it in this hole, twirl it in. We put in the wiring last, plug that in last, just so we don't twist anything up on it. And just snug it down. Next thing, we're gonna separate. Can you see this? We're gonna separate this wire harness here. Had this clip in it to kind of keep it away from the exhaust. Just you can get, I'm using a cat claw, but if you got a little screwdriver, you can just stick that in there too. Just separate it out. And just kind of guess the length there and let's put it back in. Just gonna go up in here. Let's plug it back in. We got the oxygen sensor in. Follow the wire back. You can see it's now, where is it? Yeah, you can see it. We got it plugged in right back up in there. The other plug was stationary, so that was kind of nice. And then this guy for the wiring to keep it off the catalytic converter right here. Just squeeze it back up in place. Then we're going to put it all together and make sure everything works. All we did is there's a little bolt here and here, and on that side, just going to bring these plastic guys loose so we can get it there to that connector. And easiest way to do that connector, just get up there in two hands and you depress with one finger, and it literally just slid right out, no problems. There you go, guys. That's how you change an oxygen sensor on a 2001 Ford Escape with a 3-liter V6 in it. If you like what you saw here, give us that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.